Hello, good morning. Welcome to Spindles Workshop. My name is Louie. I did a video of unboxing and revealing this lathe, and it's getting a lot of views, and I really want to thank everyone for watching. I had a few comments, and when I was editing the video, I noticed it also. There was like a sound. It almost sounded like a bearing rubbing in here or something. So I just wanted to make this quick little follow-up video to show you that was something in the way it was recording, or there was another sound in my shot. I don't know what it was, but I heard it on the video, but I didn't hear it when I was actually running the machine. So I just wanted to do a little video of the machine running. Hopefully we'll get some better sound quality. So right now I have it set up in the medium belt speed here, which is 150 to 1700. So we're gonna go ahead, it's low forwards. I'm gonna start it up. So let's listen. Completely silent. Speed it up a little bit. Hopefully the sound quality is better this time. I'd shut off everything else in the shop. That's 370. That's about 710. $1,200. That's just over 1,800. Completely silent. Perfectly centered. Again, I want to thank everyone who watched my previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link below, and I'll try to put a little blip up here. I just wanted to clarify that, because I did hear that when I was editing the video, and it actually got me kind of nervous. I was like, I didn't hear that when I was in the shop. Again, hopefully that one came out, the sound came out a little better. I look forward to working with this. There's a little project that I'll probably be doing on this lathe. Hopefully, maybe next week we'll have a video of this machine actually working. Again, thank you all. If this is your first time here, thank you. Please, if it's in the cards, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't watched the previous video, go back and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's like a little quick noise. It sounded like something was grinding in here, but again, I don't know why that came up on the video, but it's not true. It's running very smooth and very quietly. Thank you guys, and have a great day.